So this morning I'm changing this hydraulic line that is way the heck up here. I changed out this line right here. It goes up and across and over. It's clamped down in one spot, another spot. Now the other end of it, which wasn't too bad, has a union fitting here, and there's the old one. This had a little tiny wee leak right here. Maybe you can see it in the sunlight. That little spot right there, it has caused the problem. So this piece of steel tube, $1,048. Maybe just because it's painted yellow, I don't know.